What is going on, guys? Today I am putting on my new likewise shift knob and drift button. No way. This is it. It's the daily grind shift knob. It's got a detachable top so you can hide, I don't know, stuff. And this is the drift button. Hold on, it's not focusing. No, why is it not focusing? Oh, well it's there. And I also got the emblem thing, keychain thing. I'm just getting the tools I need to put that on. Also, we haven't been uploading videos lately because my car's been off the road and everyone's kind of had their car off the road at some point. But got my car back. I had to replace the screamer pipe because it ran out of rego and they wouldn't rego it with the screamer pipe on. So I bought a D-Max dump pipe, a larger replacement. It sounds pretty good. And what else? Liam's got his car back. Barto's car is getting resprayed at the moment. Jordan's got his car. Christoph, I don't think you've seen Christoph, he's got an R33. That's off the road. Banger's Supra is on the road still, but he hasn't been here. But yeah, we'll be uploading videos from weekly from now on, hopefully, if we can get around to it. Mint, let's get started. Also, I have bought 260 lift cams from JDM Accessories. I've also bought valve springs and rocker arm stoppers. They should be here in the next couple of weeks, and then in June sometime I'm getting a tune. Hopefully be making around 250 kilowatts. I'll make a video about that. I'll be installing the cams myself, doing all that fun stuff. And yeah, I currently cannot find the size I need. I need a 16mm, and of course the 16mm is missing. God damn. I've already taken the shift knob off that was on there before. This was Liam's. He let me borrow it for a bit, just see what the Neil Diamond was like. Sweet Caroline. I didn't really like it that much, so that's why I bought this one. So, okay, got that, so that'll go there. Mint. Oh, nice. Alright, the threaded side goes on first, and then you put the, I don't know, the stopper, I guess you'll call it, on after that. I'm not really too sure what it does. It keeps it tight. And the shift knob just goes over like that. That's how that goes. It actually feels really nice. Oh yeah. And then with this, I haven't done a drift button before, so we'll see how I go with this. Alright, so I can't focus. These tabs here that are holding the spring, have to bend them to the other side while pushing this spring with a flathead to this side. Bend this tab, I don't know, down I think, or across and up, so the spring slots out and your button can't lock anymore. So I've got a flathead now. I'm going to do this real quick. I have nowhere to put the camera while I do this because I don't have a filmer, so I'll do that real quick, get back to the camera, go back and forth. As you can see, the tab's now facing there, the spring's no longer on it, so once you push this, it'll just fall. That's nice and loose. So then pull it up. So now that you know that that works, can't get the button though. There we go. Pull it up, leave it up, put your boot back on. Make sure it's up, otherwise you won't be able to line it up with the bottom. Even though I still wasn't able to do that. God damn, no hands. Alright, I've got the boot back on. That was annoying, it got caught on something. So the button has actually gone back in. But that doesn't matter, because once you get the drift button, all it does is slot over the old button. It will be tight to get on there, so just push it as hard as you can. I'll do that really quick. Okay, that was actually really hard to push on. Now it's on there. I think I can get it a bit further, but my hand started to hurt. So push it out. Stays on. Push down. There you go. So that was fairly simple. I thought it was actually going to be harder than that. Loving this setup. And the last piece I have to put on. Where is it? I think I might be sitting on it. No, I'm not sitting on it. Where did I put it? Alright, I left them in the other shed. Oh, and I just dropped it down. Oh, the point of no return. There we go. That will just go over the top like this. A real G. Nice. Also, I got a sticker as well, but I don't know where to pull it. I will start it up so you can have a hear the new dump pipe. I can't drive it because it doesn't have rego at the moment. I'll give you a quick look. Oh, that's it down there. It's actually pretty big. Can you see it? Yeah, there. Nice and shiny too. I also got a lanyard from Likewise as well. Nice little purple one. I was hoping they'd make blue. That doesn't matter. Purple's dope as I just let it warm up real quick because it hasn't really been started for 2-3 months. Not 3 months, 2. God damn, look at that dirty boot. Should be warmed up by now. My battery was flat, so I had to give it a quick little start. Hold the hear it from the exhaust. Yeah, it's blowing a bit of smoke then. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Gonna try and start uploading weekly, hopefully. It just depends, because we've all got work and all types of shit going on. But yeah, thanks for watching. Go check out Likewise's Instagram and website, wearelikewise.com for their website, and wearelikewise for their Instagram. See you in the next video.